Hey guys, this video will show you how to design a Wilkinson power divider using FILPAL EDS. So first you go to the toolbox and drag in the ideal transmission lines. When you right click, a mini window will pop up where you can specify the characteristic impedance of the line, the operating frequencies, and the corresponding electrical length. And since Wilkinson Divider is a 3-port device, you will need 3 ports. So you can go to the lump toolbox and drag in the port. So we have port 1, port 2, and port 3. If you want to change the orientations of the ports, you can simply double click. So it will rotate the ports by 90 degrees. In order to make the connections between the elements, you may simply move your mouse cursor close to the elements. A node will be visible to you, and you can click on the node and then point to the other elements and click on the other nodes. Then the connectivity will be formed. So the connections will be formed based on our shortest path algorithm. The algorithm will find its shortest path in order to make the connectivity. So you will need the resistors to be connected between the port 2 and port 3 to provide the necessary isolations. Here you go to the setting page where you set up your simulations to define your frequency range, the start and the stop frequencies, the number of points, or alternatively, the step size of your frequencies. So when you click on this plot chart button, instantly the response will be shown in these graphs. So you may tick or untick each response to be shown or displayed on the graphs. So here you may find a 3 dB power split between port 2 and port 3. And this is the return loss at port 3, or similarly at a port 2 and port 1. And this is the dB plot of the responses as parameters. Thank you, everyone.